It's a new day, coming on the scene, Holy Spirit, setting people free. We are marching on in victory. It's a brand new day. God is singing a love song. Good morning. Here's source of liberty.
I already went out of bed. I went to the toilet already.
Huh? Oh, you went to the toilet already?
Yeah.
And you already drank our coffee. Let's quickly check the kids upstairs. I want to go to the toilet. My girls are in the toilet, I think. Hello, good morning. There's somebody here who's also opening the window. Hello. Sylvia was asking if it was not too bright for you guys here. So let her know. See? And Hoshaiah still sleeping, I think. Yes. Mijn bontak. Slaap papi. Any words of wisdom? Waarom? What could you share with people or for yourself when you're watching this maybe in years from now? Hmm?
Hello.
Hello?
Yes.
What could you share about God? Jesus said of himself, he's the way, the truth and the life. Anyone comes to me will not perish, but have everlasting life. Yes? Quickly. See for the girls. Nice plants. Wow, still dark. Hello girls. 3 hours time we're leaving. Hello. Maria doesn't like mornings to be disturbed. Hello, good girl. Anything to say? Good morning.
If you search your soul, there's no need for pretending. We got something I wanna talk about now tonight.
Wow.
Oh no. The car doesn't open with the alarm. Oh no,
Yeah,
the remote.
What? Doesn't start then?
No, I tried to start and it doesn't do anything.
You mean flat battery?
Yes.
So how do I
I
go?
think so. I don't know. Should ask her.
I don't know, maybe. Okay, ask Danny maybe if he has a car,
ask Danny.
battery charger.
Yes. Oh, it's close. Here. I don't know. We are charging the battery. Good thing then we have one. Yeah. And hopefully, I think, oh, it was the light. Because we're used to leaving our light on with the Mini and the other car. And it turns off when you turn the car off. But this one you have to manually turn it off because it's an old car. So that it won't eat up your battery. Ay, buti na lang natagpuan namin kung ano yung problema. At least we know, yeah, that we should pay attention to it. Okay, almost time to go. Yes, and of course, clean as you go. Folded our the beddings that we used already. The kids also did. Let's see upstairs if they did it properly. Yep. Good umaga. I just need to put this towels in the bathroom. It's it now. So, ito lagay natin sa laundry basket. And let's see what's happening. Oh, there. A very big trailer. Oh, they're gonna put it there?
They put the...
On that side?
Yeah, because nobody can park there, so probably have to do that. So they put those steel plates there. You can show later if you think about it.
And Upano was here. Happy birthday.
Oh, hier?
Happy birthday again.
Heb je geslapen? Niet?
Ik ben de bed weer uitgegaan om 1:30 pas weer bij de... Ik had heel erg brand in de been.
Oh,
Dit was net ook in het vuur stond. Heel verschrikkelijk.
cappuccino?
Cappuccino.
Now, opa, any words of wisdom?
Ja. Hey.
Dat weet je wel, maar de rest doe ik niet. Maar daar ben je dus een uur mee bezig.
Ja, mama. Say something to yourself. Zeg eens tegen jezelf.
Bye bye.
Zeg maar, wat zie je er goed uit, mama? Zeg maar.
Zie wie?
Zie je jezelf?
Nee, zeg
Als je de vlog gaat kijken, dan zul je dat zien.
nee, dat zeg ik niet.
Zeg maar, papa.
Wat moet ik zeggen?
Wat zie je er sexy uit?
Oh, ik heb
Ja,
allemaal
nee, over jou, over jezelf.
om mezelf. Nou, nee, ik ben altijd
Jan,
sexy.
wat zie je er sexy
Kijk eens
uit?
hoe sexy als ik ben.
Oh, heet dat liedje nou?
I'm sexy and I know it. We have finished our coffee. A little while ago. They're going to 3 minutes already. I'm going to put this there. It's because the border is there where you see the here, and there is the sand, and they're supposed to be able to park the car there. So temporarily they put those plates there, steel plates, and the road is a bit wider.
Wonderful developments over here in the car.
The car isn't starting.
It's not starting, even though they tried to charge the battery. It's not an electric car, just the regular car battery.
Whatever it's called.
But it's still not starting, so you will have to try to jump start, and if else, it's something else. Or probably just a jump start.
What's happening here? Why are you out of the car again?
Now we're pushing it because whatever
The car still doesn't start. Oh my goodness. Is it wrong?
Jawel. Dat is een kilo zwaar, is 30 euro.
Oké.
Niet tegen dat ding aan.
Ja, zo op snelweg.
Wat dat ding?
Ready.
Ja, maar de wind staat de verkeerde kant op.
Ja, niet meer weg. Ik doe ook mee. Maar je mag gaan. Nee, nog niet hoor. Nog niet.
Opa mag niet. Opa mag niet.
Ja!
Nee, is nog niet. Ja, maar gaat dit dan?
Dan gaat hij opladen hè, als je rijdt.
We do.
Okay, so bye bye. Doei doei.
I don't know if you can see them.
Hey, I need navigation. I don't know which side. There, huh?
I don't know. Yeah, there.
Have you turned it off?
No.
Is it still filming?
Yeah.
Still filming?
Yeah.
Now say hi to them. So they cannot stop. We have to be very careful with traffic lights.
Yeah.
That the car doesn't turn off because it still needs to charge.
Yeah. So just pray that.
Yeah, because we have to be back in time because we have to work.
Yeah. All of
And now suddenly I have to work also most probably in the night.
longer than your
Yeah, I was supposed to be off at 10 o'clock.
scheduled.
But I've told them, so if you really can't find anybody, then I can work until 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to find the
Navigation.
start. It still doesn't work. Yeah, start.
Okay.
One day. No, it's on walking. One day. We arrive in one day. 2.5 hours living still.
2 hours later.
Are you closing?
Yes. Come on.
We just came home. And we back have to leave again
Yeah, you try the window. Oh, the
for work.
mirror.
Yeah, well, we tried already. If we can start the car starts. But there's only one. Oh, let me close the Mini.
And Miss Little.
Yeah, it's closed. And
Yeah. So the mirror we still can't get it.
well, we try
Open.
again. We try again.
Maybe if you start the car, maybe they will get it open. Hopefully. Yeah. Okay, leave it like that. Oh. Oh, okay, finally. Yes. And now I have to pee and change pants and then work. Salamat. Yeah.
Alright.
Salamat sa papapanood and
Thank you for watching.
please like, subscribe, comment down below, hit the bell and share.
We've done
Tapos,
already.
here's where you can
If you
subscribe.
haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe here. The Hoshaiah? Jedaiah?
Here's a former vlog and here's a special vlog for you.
Yes! Alright, now you have to have fun. They have to go to bed also in time because they have school tomorrow. Look at the guy. And see you in the next vlog. Alright? Oops, sorry.